So if the Facebook Marketplace option or icon is missing and not showing up on your account, first of all, if you can't find it on one of your tabs right here, you can go to Menu, and from there you can visit Marketplace if it's listed in here. And if it's not anywhere, just tap on this full icon and then simply write down tab. From there, go to the tab bar to customize the bar, and in case if Marketplace option is hidden in this list, you can tap over this arrow and either set the visibility to auto or pin it. It'll show up on either of these two spaces we've shown you. If the icon is still missing, make sure you're not in any region where Marketplace is not available. And also, since it's got some underage restrictions as well, especially if you're getting some age-related warning when you're trying to open it, make sure you have set the correct age for your Facebook profile. So if you want to change your age, you can just go to Menu, from Settings to Account Center, scroll down to Personal Details, and from here you can change your birth year if you want. Now sometimes Marketplace option gets hidden for outdated app as well, so make sure there is no pending app update. Now apart from that, you can also try to clear the app cache and cookies. So from Settings, go to General to your iPhone storage. Just find out Facebook in here and then simply offload the app and then reinstall it once again. Now, if everything is okay, Marketplace option is supposed to show up without any problem. Now, just in case, if Marketplace was visible previously but suddenly it disappeared, lastly, you can report a problem to Facebook. For that, let's launch the app. From the menu, scroll down to Help and Support to report a problem. You can either shake the device or manually continue to report a problem. You can include the logs or select Don't Include. And from this list of problems, select Marketplace. And then to verify your claim, you can either do a screen record or attach a screenshot in here. And then you can just mention your problem as directly as possible and then just hit this send button. If it was a technical issue, hopefully after reviewing, Facebook will fix your problem and you'll get back your Marketplace once again. Thanks for watching.